Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel right here and then press the bell notification, like the video as well and share the video with your trading friends. So subscribe, like and share and press the bell notification. Now whether you are new or old, if you're watching my videos, then below the videos you will also find these links which I want to talk about once and for all. Now, first link says join free Telegram channel. So if you want some free signals every now and then go and join Telegram, okay? Second link says check out best prop firm and Forex brokers. So you can join these brokers and start your trading journey, especially if you want to trade with my signals, then make sure you have a separate account with these brokers, separate accounts so that we can get the accurate data that how many trades did you win or lose using my signals in that separate account. So go and join the brokers using my link also to support this channel, okay? Because I am doing everything for free. When you go and watch my videos, I give you entry signals at which candle to enter and when to exit, okay? So if you are making money with my videos, I'm not charging you any single thing, and you need to show that why should I carry on doing that, okay? I don't need your money, but you need to show me that why should I carry on doing this for free. I'm not getting anything from you, okay? So go and join brokers using my link. And then there is one more link which I have introduced. Just below that, it says pay fees from analysis, okay? So normally on the internet, people will do these analysis either, in just 2 minutes. They will say, okay, the trend is up, look for longs after pullback, or trend is down, look for shorts after each pullback, okay? I am not doing that because if I do that, that's like, you're stupid, okay? This is something everybody knows. Everybody knows, okay, trend is up, so we need to look for longs. Trend is down, we need to look for. Everybody knows that who's into trading, okay? So I have to, why will you watch my videos? Because I'm not just the some random or the other guy on YouTube, okay? I'm not some other guy on YouTube. I'm something which nobody else is, okay? So whatever I'm giving to you for free is worth thousands and thousands of dollars. You will get to know about this after watching the video till the end, my analysis, okay? And you can watch my previous videos too. So if you think my analysis is worth something or you have made money using my videos, you can go to this link which says pay fees for my analysis and pay whatever you feel like. Okay, I'm not asking you to buy my $1,000 course or $2,000 course. That's what normally people get you into, okay? So there is a condition with every trader who's making YouTube videos that join my this program, join my that program, and they're not wrong. They're not wrong. They're doing the right thing, charging you thousands of dollars. Only I'm an idiot here for now doing everything for free, okay? So either we work as a team or I don't work at all, right? So I don't need analysis for myself because I can do it myself, okay? So if you are watching my video, it's your responsibility to contribute in whatever form you can, and especially go and join these brokers because that is free and then you can start your trading. And if you want to contribute towards the fees, you can you can pay whatever you like using the link. And then there's one more interesting thing. If you click on these three dots, if you open my video on your laptop, then click on three dots and you will see this thing called super fangs, okay? So this super fangs which you might be interested in to get your questions answered, okay? So for example, in this live chat, I don't have a live streaming going on my channel as of now. Normally people ask what do you call super chat in live, but in recorded videos you can do super thanks and get your questions answered later on by me, okay? So I thought you should know this. So this is a very cool feature from YouTube that you can click on these three dots and then click on thanks, and then you can increase or decrease your amount. This is a paid feature from YouTube, okay? So if you want to type in a message, you can click here and remove your remove that thanks, and type in your comment. If you want to ask anything and get the answer from me, you can type your question or comment or feedback, whatever you want to say, and there will be an amount. You can increase that amount or decrease that amount depending on your currency, and you can click on buy and send, and your question will be below my YouTube video, and then I can reply to your comments, okay? I thought I should share this option with those people who want to get their questions or comments answered, because understand, people as in people who make YouTube videos like me might not answer every comment which is below their video, especially free comments. Nobody has time, okay? So if you want your question, a comment to be seen and answered, go to the three dots, click on Superfines, type in your question or comment or feedback, and then select your amount, and then click on buy and send. I just wanted to share this feature with you, okay? So I think that's all I have to share with you. Subscribe, like, and now let's start the analysis. All right, so USDCAD. Now let's start the top-down approach with the weekly time frame. So weekly, we are in the uptrend. I told you months before that we are in the uptrend now. And this was the low, then pullback, then again, this was the low, then uptrend, then pullback, and uptrend continuation. Okay, so forget about weekly, because weekly you will not get to know anything if you're not an expert. If you don't have experience, you will not figure out what's happening in weekly. Okay, but this is an uptrend. So coming back to Delhi, in Delhi we have crossed above the EMA, then taking a pullback. Okay, so let's get back to 4 hour. 4 hour is, oh my god, this is so fucking awesome. Okay. Ah. This should be illegal what I'm doing for free. What I'm doing for free right now should be illegal. You know, a lot of traders who are selling their $1,000 courses, they should hate me if they see my video, because this is free. This is free money right now. Okay, this was your uptrend. This is your pullback. Rejection has come from the EMA. We have the blue candle. This is your fucking entry. This is your fucking entry. Enter long right now. What else are you waiting for? Let me correct that. This is short position. Enter long right here. This is your entry, man. This is your entry. Free money. Your stop loss will come here. Let me fix that for you. This is your entry. Okay, stop loss will be just below here somewhere. And just take 1:2, whatever, you know, take 2, not 2, but just 1:2. There you go. Okay. That's your free fucking entry, and I'm an idiot for doing this, okay? For free. I am doing this for free. I can't believe it. Shit, man. I have seen people charging couple of thousand, $2,000, $4,000, $5,000, you know, for their courses first, and then they do these analysis. Or maybe they do this maybe in their paid membership, whatever, okay? I just told you this was literally free, man, okay? So if you go and watch my previous video on USDCAD on Friday, I think we were on this candle. Okay, we were on this candle, and I told you that you know, either we will jump from here or we'll come back to the EMA, because I wasn't sure about the pullback. It was only 38%. In my mind, I knew that we will touch down the EMA, and they will have the blue candle, and they will carry on going up. That's what fucking happened here. This is a fucking perfect setup. What are you waiting for? When you wake up, when you don't wake up, when the market wakes up. Okay, so when the market opens on Monday, whatever time in your country is, as in the market opens, after 1 hour, you enter long and you take your profits right here, or what is to do. It's free money. I'm an idiot for doing this. Okay. If you like what you see, free money, free money, free money. Subscribe, like, join Telegram, check out the brokers, join them using my link, contribute in any way possible. Pay the fees, pay my fees. It's my fees. It's a free analysis, but pay my fees, okay? And then if you have any questions or comments, you can ask in Superfines. Guys, I have no reason to do so free until unless you do your part. I'm doing mine, okay? I'll take care. I'll see you in my next video.